Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present to you George Ballesteros,
Professor George.
Professor
George.
in Mapua Institute of Technology. Ngayon, no? Siya yung kinakausap ni Bay at saka ni Dax para magsimula ng ating Delta Clan ulit. Para ma-revive yung Delta Clan ulit. So, George, tell us, kumusta ba ang prospect ng Delta Clan sa Mapua? Marirevive ba o ano ang mga prospects?
Definitely, sir, revive po, sir. All we need is we have to come up with the bylaws and then we will present it to the Office of Student Affairs for evaluation. So it will be accredited one of the organizations of the Mapua Institute.
Balita ko marami ng pagbabago ang electrical engineering sa Mapua. Nabalitaan ko hindi na raw ngayon semester, kundi
Quarter term.
quarter term. Sige nga, explain mo nga bakit nagkaroon ng ganong arrangement.
Now, during the takeover of the Yuchenko in the year 2000, there was a change in the program of the semestral term to quarter term. So, in the quarter term, students will be taking a 15-unit load for every 11 weeks. Definitely, 15-unit load multiplied by 4, that will be 60 units for anything, as compared to a semestral term is 48 units for anything.
Bali, ilang taon na ngayon ang electrical engineering?
In the quarter term, sir, on its 8 years, sir.
Kumusta naman ang mga babae ngayon sa Mapua sa electrical engineering? Marami na ba?
Marami na rin, sir.
Maganda na.
So far, it has increasing number of trends.
Kasi ang reklamo namin noon talagang isa lang ang babae noon. Kaya mahirap talaga. Pero ngayon marami ng babaeng
Marami
kumukuha.
na, sir.
Okay. Yung klase mo sa Mapua ngayon, ano mga tinuturuan mo?
I'm teaching feasibility studies, network analysis, circuits analysis, research, and OJT programs.
And
OJT program, on-the-job training.
on-the-job training. O, kita mo, meron kayong on-the-job training. Ano yun?
It's the immersion of the students in the company wherein they will start work.
Actual job.
Galing. Tapos yung feasibility study, gano'ng katagal mo tinuturo yun?
I've been teaching feasibility studies for at least 8 years.
8 years. Meron kayo spreadsheet na ginagamit?
We have this software na ginagamit, sir, yung Excel form of inputting the financial statements for Philippines.
Gumagawa ko nun. Kumusta naman ang number of students sa EE ngayon?
For this year, we have still increasing number of enrollees so far. Even though the enrollment has been affected with the decline because of the increase of tuition fee and definitely increase of fees that is giving hard time for parents to cope up with the enrollment fees.
Yung sa mga kukunti na ngayon ang laboratory nyo kasi pwede na tayo mag-simulate.
No, sir. We have still 3 laboratories. We have computer lab, electrical lab, electronics labs, and another laboratory is the Aztec Hub. We have this Aztec Hub which caters on power systems.
O sige, we hope we are going to give you all our hopes and prayers na sana naman mabuhay ulit yung Delta Clan.
Hopefully, sir.
Okay. Welcome.